But why you keep making noises? You don't have to make noises. What's good, guy? Before we jump in this banger, guy, we doing a what, man?
Giveaway, guys.
Yeah, we're doing a giveaway in the 4-1 Lucky right now, guys. If you just go click the link down below, guys, only thing you have to do is just enter your email, guys, and we're gonna tell you what we're doing right now. We giving a $300. We also picking 2 lucky winners to win.
4-1 Lucky merch.
Thank you for that, baby. Also, guys, it's simple. We're gonna split this in 5 people so it can be easy. You feel me? $300 a person, $100 a person, and more winner. Yes. Also, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a quick hack. Like, listen, don't tell nobody, right? If you got 3 email and 3 different devices, guys, enter each email on each device, guys, and you have more chance to win,
so
guys.
You enter as 3 people.
Don't tell nobody.
You
Yeah,
only one?
Exactly. Don't tell nobody, right?
What's good, YouTube? What's up? It's your girl Crystal, and I'm back again with another banger, guys. So today, well, not today, but today I got a good one for you guys. But I told Ray, because we work out Monday through Friday, but we try our very best. But for the last 2 weeks, we've been exactly Monday through Friday, you know, because of busy day we can't go. But me and Ray been working out, doing our thing. But I told him, like, lately, you know, even though I do my little stretches in the gym, like, I feel like I need to do more stretching because I pick up weights. So like my muscle be feeling really tight and all that. So I told him, like, when I come home, that I want to start doing some extra like stretching, like yoga and stuff, right? So I told him Monday I'm gonna start doing it, starting with the workouts. So today's Monday, and today I'm gonna start doing my yoga. But I thought of a great thing, funny prank to do, guys. Might be a little crazy, but we're gonna get his reaction and we're gonna see how he feels about me doing yoga. So basically I'm gonna be doing yoga poses. I don't know about yoga too much, so I'm just gonna do whatever I think I know, because I'm actually going, I have like a yoga thing that I found on YouTube that I like, so I'm gonna actually be doing that one. But since we here and I'm trying to get this prank ready for y'all, I'm just gonna do whatever, because as I'm doing these yoga poses, I am going to be making exotic noises. So I think you know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna try to see Ray's reaction. I'm gonna tell him, like, these are yoga poses that I learned, and I heard, like, when you breathe in and out, like, noises just come out that way. I don't know, guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel, guys. I don't know what to tell you, because we stay dropping bangers, y'all. Stay dropping bangers. So drop that smack button, smack that smack button. And I'm trying to be quiet at the same time. But definitely subscribe to our other channels where we be dropping videos every single day and blogs. So if you really want to know more of me and Ray on the personal side, go add the CR family. The links are down below. Also attached to our channels. But right now, guys, we about to drop this banger. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's see what he's gonna do. Oh, finally I get to stretch these tight muscles. Oh, that feels so good. Oh my god.
Hey.
Oh, Ooh!
Hey.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm stretching, babe. Doing the yoga that I told you I was gonna do. I need to start getting more flexible. Ooh.
What?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
But why are you making mad noises though?
Oh, because it's like pulling back here. It's just like, it feels so good, but then it hurts, but it feels so good.
Let me see.
Oh, damn. Did I get the other side though?
Well, what type of yoga are you doing? This looks like.
And then to stretch the inner thighs.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh.
Well, why you make it? You don't have to make all that noise, baby. Just do it. Like, what the hell are you doing? Just like,
Oh.
do it.
Yeah, don't you want to go,
No, going on? What I want to go out
It
for?
feels so good.
Yeah, I'm super happy I cleaned this. I can't wait to get the new fishes.
Oh, yes.
Baby, it's not even that serious. But you don't have to, you even make a noise bending down like that.
Oh, yeah.
No, you're weird, bro.
Oh, I need to stretch more, babe. I'm literally gonna do this every day. This feels so good. Oh my god. Damn, daddy. Oh. Oh.
Yo, you weird.
But you don't know how.
But why you keep making noises? You don't have to make noises.
Bro, it feels better than sex.
You know what?
Oh, God.
Making noises feel better.
Oh. Oh, shit, that hurts. Oh. Oh.
Alright, baby. Okay, now you're doing too much. Alright, I'm out of here. You're doing too much.
Oh. I'm trying to learn how to do the split for you. Oh, God. Alright, let me try. I need to stretch now one thing at a time. Oh, yes. Now this right here. Oh, oh my God.
Baby,
Oh.
are you serious?
Oh. I feel like I'm exercising at the same time. Wow, that was good. Hold on. Let me try the other day. That felt amazing. Jesus.
What? Babe, you don't have to keep your inside voice.
Oh my God. That,
Baby,
ooh.
Baby, people's gonna think that we.
I'm
People's
stretching.
gonna think we're doing it.
Oh.
Baby, shut up. Shut up. People's gonna think that we're doing it crazy.
I don't think they can hear us.
What do you mean?
What's
You can hear
happening?
everything in this freaking building. You can hear it upstairs, down here. You can hear everything. People gonna think we're doing nasty right now.
God, just
What are you doing, man? Baby, come on. You really
Okay.
screaming down loud?
I'm
Like,
gonna put this leg down, and I want you to like try to pick this leg up as much.
But don't freaking scream
Okay.
like that. Keep your inside voice.
All right. Oh, babe, come
Babe,
on! I need 10
stop
seconds.
making
Let's go.
mad.
It feels so.
But
good.
you don't have to make them horny ass noises you doing, bro.
No, they're not horny
Just
noises.
like.
That's like a relief of just like
Baby, it's mad early,
it
bro.
feels so good. Exactly, it's early, so why would anybody think we're doing anything?
Screaming the way
Hey,
you
come on,
screaming?
come on.
That's the way you screaming, so we do it.
Let's go.
What do you mean?
Oh, oh, oh my God, that feels so good.
Yeah, you're so annoying, bro.
Harder.
Shit. Fuck out of here, I'm out of here, bro. You weird, hell.
Hey, come on.
Nah, she's not
Come
getting
here.
turning me on. No,
What do you
baby.
mean? Oh my
It's turning
God.
me on a little bit.
Oh.
I'm good. Like, we're not doing that. I'm good. You good, Romy. I'm not doing that. You're doing too much. And then you mad loud. You was good. You were doing
Okay,
it.
just pressure my neck.
Baby, no, I'm not doing it.
Do
That's
both
kind
of
of
it.
turning me on a little bit. That's just
Alright, one more stretch. Babe,
What?
come on.
Man, I'm good. You stupid. What? Good now. Yeah. Maybe if you're gonna do it, do that right. Man.
Alright,
Good.
I'm gonna do the butterfly pose. And I need you to like help me open both sides. Like push back both sides.
Hey, but don't make noise with me.
Oh,
Alright, baby.
that
Relax.
hurts.
Yo, man, but still. Baby.
Oh, that hurted, babe.
No, I'm not.
But you gotta keep doing it so I get used to it.
No, I'm good.
Come here.
Now you're screaming in my ear, babe.
Oh, but I need it.
Alright, but that's screaming. You don't have to be
It
screaming.
hurts. Like,
Baby, you don't have to be screaming
oh,
like
like
that.
this. Oh, like that. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, that feels so good.
Yo, you a clown. Yo, you a clown, bro. I'm done with you, bro.
You baby.
No, I'm done.
Baby.
I'm done. You're like a dead cockroach. You know one of them cockroaches in the floor and they try with their legs up and
That's
shit?
fucked up.
But they basically dead. They just still, their legs still moving, but they can't turn around.
Are you trying? Yo, that's funny. You
I
want
might
me to
drink
stretch?
this. Before I get my. Let's do it.
I'm gonna try to do this.
You think you can do it? Then you can do it.
Not with my hair in the way. Ah, yes! Oh, this feels so good, but I can't get out. Help me! That was good. That felt good. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you was weird, bro. I'm done with you, bro.
All right, babe. Babe, come here.
What?
How you think, out of 1 to 10, how you like my yoga pose?
It could be good if you freaking start screaming like you getting and.
It's a prank.
What?
It's a prank.
What do you mean?
You talking crazy.
What do you mean? It's a prank.
It's a prank.
Yo, you're dumb, bro.
Man, you really think I'm gonna stretch it like that?
I don't know. I mean, some people do make noises to.
A little bit, because I know I'll be in the gym like, oh.
Yeah, I don't do that. I go. Like I do like breathing noises.
Exactly.
But no. But I do like.
Baba girls, I go, oh.
Yeah, you stupid. I'm dead with you.
Yo, I'm dead. Well, it was just a prank, baby. I don't stretch like that. But I really do need to stretch. You trying to help me stretch a little bit? In the room? Where the...
Hell yeah, let's go.
Hey, you nasty.
Stretch that shit out.
Okay,
like,
okay.